Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Python 3. X is installed and on path because the editor needs an executable to link. Once done, install Visual Studio Code and the official Python extensions so linting and debugging work. Open your project folder in VSCode, then open the integrated terminal to run Python version and pip list. This quick verification ensures the tools are present. Next, create or open a Py file so VSCode can prompt you to select an interpreter for the workspace. Once you have a file open, use the command palette and run Python. Select Interpreter. This links VSCode to the specific Python executable. Choose a virtual environment for project isolation, or pick Conda or System Python if needed. Make sure the selected interpreter appears in the blue status bar. If not, reload the window. Then configure workspace settings, add Python, default interpreter path or the modern equivalent in settings, JSON to persist the choice. This lets linting, IntelliSense, and the debugger. You finish by running your script with run Python file in terminal or by creating a launch. JSON for breakpoints and step debugging. Make sure to install project packages into the same environment using pip install or conda install so imports resolve. Once done, test breakpoints and the debugger UI. If things go wrong, first confirm the interpreter path matches the environment binary, and that path includes your Python. Then reload or restart VSCode. This single troubleshooting step solves most linkage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.